Here is part 2 of installing an egress window. We are putting in our window well.
We dug down to the footing drain going around the house, and then tied a tile into that and then a sump drain so that if the window well received an excess amount of water, the water will be able to exit quickly through the foundation tile. I'm also going to dig out probably about a 12 to 18 inch deep trench around the outer perimeter that I will be filling with crushed concrete tomorrow to provide a footing for these blocks. First thing I'm going to do though is measure the block and then mark the inside of this so I know where the block will sit. That way I don't excavate too much.
How's it going?
Good.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
Quite the hole.
Yep. We'll have a really good footing now. Now she's getting tall. Okay, ready? Alright, I can fix it. So we got approximately 1.5 inches of fall away from the house. As you can see back here, we're running plump. Pretty darn close. Same thing, about 1.5 inches of fall. For all you guys running old gems like this, sometimes the injection pump needs a little water in before we can get her fired up again. Should do it. What this is a non-woven geotextile fabric. What we're going to do is we're going to drape this down the block all the way around the perimeter, and then what we'll do is we'll backfill with stone. This will act as a filter and it'll prevent any washouts from blowing through the block, and then prevent us from losing all of our dirt. How about her? Goes around your knee. That better? Yeah. This stuff is tough, isn't it?
Fire! That was just too hard for me to cut it.
As you can see, we're on a little bit of a hold here. I was running the tracks loose because the rollers are getting bad and we ran one off. We'll address that later.
Caden is helping to finish the yard work. Here's the window from the inside of the house. Now that it's installed, we can work on finishing our youngest son's bedroom here in the basement this winter. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more action in our household.